Ivan Quintelaes, 15, studying at Ibarreto.
I am Jiril Dambidas Quitado, age 15 years old, and I study at Eduardo Barreto Senior Integrated School.
Drench Kylie S. Navarro, 14 years old, currently studying in EPSIS, and top reader and headline writer from Ang Lipid.
Jade B. Castillo, 15, currently studying in EPSIS.
Santino Gabriel Melencio, 15 years old, currently studying in EPSIS.
Currently Shancy Oliver, 14, currently studying in EPSIS.
Marian Barila, 15 years old, currently studying in EPSIS, tagasulat ng natalain ng Ang Lipid.
Kersey Bongat, 15 years old, currently studying in EPSIS.
Princess Geraldine C. Tanes, 15, currently studying at EPSIS.
Renalyn L. Magpantay, 15 years old, currently studying in EPSIS.
Dian Piemonte, 15 years old, currently studying at EPSIS.
Adrian P. Lolong, 15, nag-aaral sa EPSIS.
Nicole T. Rabadam, 16 years old, I am currently studying in EPSIS.
Does Campus Press matters? And why?
Why Campus Press matters? For me, the Campus Press can help students to strengthen their awareness. The Campus Press can help shape their ability to help their school.
Campus Press matters because it gives the students a chance to voice out their problems.
I've been a journalist since elementary, and journalism helped me to change how I see the importance of the youth in terms of social change.
Importante to kasi kailangan ma-involve ng mga estudyante sa mga ganitong aspeto.
Campus Press is based on someone's experience, to enrich oneself and to exceed for a better figure.
Campus Press matters dahil isa to sa mga paraan upang maipakita ng mga student writers ang kanilang kagalingan sa pagsusulat at pagbabalita, na may layunin na maglahad ng mga totoo at tamang impormasyon tungkol sa issues na nasa school.
Ang Campus Journal ay isang napakahalagang plataforma sapagkat ito ay nagsisilbing boses sa bawat kabataan na masabi ang kanilang salubin sa isang bagay o issue na kanilang nalalaman.
It is important because it helps students to understand what's happening inside their school.
For me, Campus Press matters dahil ito nagsisilbing turning ground ng mga kabataan na gusto maging journalist sa future.
It matters because it helps students become more aware of what's happening around them.
Campus Press matters because it can help the students expand their knowledge and vocabularies and knowledge about the school inside or out.
It matters kasi nagiging daan siya para mas maging aware yung mga students about sa mga nangyayari.
It matters because it helps us to improve our knowledge and skills when it comes to public speaking.
Most importantly, Campus Press is the key to open the young minds on what's happening on their community that will help them now and their future.
Para malaman nila yung iba't ibang uri ng issues, hindi man lang sa loob ng paaralan, kundi sa labas din ng mga community.
It can also expand their awareness of the happening issues in the school and can fight their rights regarding these issues.
And it also helps the parents and the students to know about certain issues that is currently happening in their school and in their community.
Isa rin itong way upang matuklasan ng mga mag-aaral ang kanilang kagalingan at kakayahan na magsulat ng mga balita o articles.
Also a way for them to mailabas nila yung kanilang saloobin about sa school and matugunan din ito.
Ito ang nagsisilbing turning ground nila para mas ma-enhance nila ang skills para magbalita para sa publiko.
They learn how to become responsive and proactive citizen at young age. At ito ay umuhubog upang mas lalong maintindihan ng mga estudyante ang mga nangyayari sa mga kapaligiran.
Parang nagiging daan din siya para maipahayag ng mga students yung mga opinions and concerns nila about sa mga nangyayari sa school. Defend press freedom.
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 Republic Act 7079 otherwise known as the Campus Journalism Act of 1991, provides for the training on campus journalism and the development of school publication.